Today I'll cook a traditional Chinese chicken dish and pak choy for lunch. Click subscribe if you like my videos. Thank you for supporting. First, we need to clean the whole chicken. You can use chicken legs too. Boil a big pot of water with green onion, ginger, anise, and some white wine or any alcohol you have at home. Just make sure the water is enough to cover your chicken. Dip the whole chicken in hot water quickly for 3 times. Wait for 1 minute, then put it in normal water to cool down for another 1 minute. Put the chicken back to hot water. Cook it for 4 minutes. Cover the pot and cook it for another 1 minute. Turn off the stove now and let the chicken enjoy the hot hub for 30 to 40 minutes, depending on the size of your chicken. After that, put your chicken into ice water and let it chill for 10 minutes. I put a plate on it so that my chicken can dive into the ice water. Now the chicken is ready. Let's cut the chicken into pieces. Chili oil sauce, we need to cut some fresh chili, green onions, and garlic into small pieces. Of sugar, some seasoning, crushed red chili, Sichuan peppercorn, and chili powder. Heat up some rapeseed oil. Put the hot oil into the ingredients we prepared before. add 3 spoons of light soy sauce, one spoon of vinegar, and 2 big spoons of chicken soup. Our sauce is ready. Now give your chicken a spicy shower with the chili oil sauce. I usually use the chicken soup to cook some bok choy. Meal is ready, let's enjoy!